Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie Tips and Tricks. Depending on the application, many times vegetables have to be blanched prior to cooking or freezing. It's a simple method that helps brighten the color, removes microorganisms, and slows vitamin loss. Here's how to do it when dealing with green beans. So let's get cooking. In a pot of water, we'll add some coarse sea salt and bring it to a boil. When it gets there, we'll add the green beans with the ends trimmed. I cut mine smaller because I'll be using them for my green bean mushroom and almond casserole, which is coming up in April, so stay tuned. For regular recipes, we'll blanch them for 3 to 5 minutes, and if you want to pickle the veggies, quickly blanch them for only 45 to 60 seconds, depending on the thickness. We'll transfer them immediately to an ice water bath to stop the cooking process and let them cool completely, about 5 minutes. We'll drain the green beans into a colander and proceed with our recipe. As you saw in this video, it's a great and easy method to do prior to cooking or freezing your green beans. I hope you enjoyed tips and tricks of the day, and for many more, including recipes, visit clubfoodie.com. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!